Hello and welcome. In this program, hello and welcome. In this video, we will create a JavaScript program which is event driven, and we will make use of inbuilt string functions and control structures to accept input from user and reverse the given string and determine whether the given string is a palindrome string or not. So for that we have created an input box. So the name of input box is T1 and ID is N1. We are taking input using this input box in form of string. Then we have a button. So on the click of this button, we will redirect to a function named check. So in check function, you can see that in the JavaScript section we have written the check function. In the check function we have stored the value of the input box whose ID was n1 in variable n. Then we will print that the given string is n. Then next step is to convert it to lowercase. Then we'll create a variable str, which is an empty variable which we will use now to reverse the string. So the reverse string will be stored in str. Then we'll determine the length of the string. We are using a for loop. So in this for loop we are starting with the length minus 1. So if my string's length is 5, then it will start from 4, because we know if the length of the string is 5, then it means that my string's position starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why this I starts from length minus 1, and it will decrement and it will check till 0. So until the value comes 0, it will continue the loop. So initially the value of str is null, and now we are adding this character at I, that is the value at the last position we are adding first. So string will hold this value which was last. Then in the next step, after decrementation, it will go to the second last position. It will add up to the string which had the last position. Now it will have last plus second last. So this will continue, and then finally we will have the reverse string. So now you can see here, consider a string hello. So n will hold value hello. So length of this hello is 5. So if we take the for loop, our I will start with 4 because it is written length minus 1. So in the first pass, str will have character at I, that is character at 4th position. So at 4th position we have O, then it will decrement the value of I. So I will be 3 now. After this, the value of str will be O plus character at the 3rd position. So it will be L, OL. Again, after decrementation, I will have value 2. String has OL. Now it will add up character at 2nd position, which is again L. Then it will again decrement value of I. Now str will have OLL and character at the 1st position, which is E. Then it will again decrement. I's value will be now 0. Now str will have OLLE and then character at 0th position, which is H. After this again incrementation will be done, and the value of I will be minus 1. Again here it will check minus 1 is greater than equal to 0. So no, this condition comes false. That is why it will not enter inside this for loop, and finally we will get a reverse string in str as OLLEH. Then we will check if reverse string is equal to the original string. If it is original, that it means that it is a palindrome, else it is not a palindrome. So now let's execute this program and see. For that purpose, let's save it. So we are saving it on desktop. JS palindrome dot html. Save as type all files. Click on save button. So here if I enter the same string hello, then it is not a palindrome string. Now let's try a palindrome string. So suppose I am entering word madam. So madam's reverse is again madam, and it is a palindrome string. So thank you.